Let's have a look at how to add and remove the emergency banner from the Foundation website. Make sure you're logged into the editor and then navigate to your website homepage so you can see the top editing bar. From here, click the Edit Site button to go into the front page editor. This might take a few seconds to load. Once we're here, make sure to select the top section first. So we've got the purple border highlighted around the entire section. And then go to the block inserter, which is the blue plus icon in the top left of the editor here. Now we can search for the component that we want to add, which is called the emergency homepage banner. It will come up with this option here. When you hover over the thumbnail, you'll see the banner quite clearly. So we'll select this and it will add the banner underneath the main menu. Now we can close the block inserter. And the banner's already formatted with the font and style and size of the website. So all we need to do is update the message. In this example, we're going to add a message about a half-day closure, which is happening today. So we'll put in our title and then a brief descriptive message. We do already have a news post which we've published on the website about the surgery closure, and we want to add a link to that for patients to read more information. So we're going to highlight a bit of text in the banner like this, and then in the text formatting options, click the link icon and search for the keywords of the content that you want to link to. And we can see that coming up in the list here. So we'll select this and attach the link. And now that our banner's done, we just want to make sure to click Save and Confirm to make it live on the website. We can have a look at this by clicking on the laptop icon and viewing the site in another tab. And now we can see the banners live. If we click on this link, it will take us to the news post with all the information for patients to read. When it needs to be removed, go back to the Edit Site button again to go back into the front page editor. And then we're going to select the banner. Just make sure that you click the border around the entire banner rather than the text sections inside it. And in the banner options above, go to More Options, down to Delete, and then you save those changes again. And the banner will be removed from the website.